Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal, and today we have this CuteStone kitchen sink stuff. So let's open it up, see what we get inside. Whoa.
Whoa. Wow, food.
Well, it's got food, yeah. You want to help open? Okay, you got it going on. Okay, so that's the range top, and that looks like that takes some batteries. So let's open that up. Okay, I'll read those. Wow. Okay, I think we got a couple things we got to open up. So first, let's put the batteries in.
Look.
Oh, hang on. Okay, so that takes 3 AAAs right in there. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll put that there.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. I'm pretty smart.
Welcome to the Dream Kitchen.
Whoa, wait. Let me put the screw back in. Wait. Okay. Put that screw in. Keep everybody. Okay, going there. All right, so let's open this up. Wow. Let me guess, that needs batteries too. Yep, I think so. Okay, this also takes batteries, and you need a little bit of a skinny Phillips head to get in there, and it takes 3 AAAs as well. So put these in here. So far that is 6 AAAs, not included, that you're gonna need. Okay, so that is your little sink pump. We should fill this with water. Mm-hmm. Yeah? Water? Okay. Whoa. Okay. All right, let me get a towel. Okay, so there is a minimum, there is a minimum water level on here, and I don't think I hit it, but it's like right here, so you can kind of see it. Okay, so let's get this in place. So that sits on there like that. Then this is going to be your automatic sink part. We'll put that there. So pretty cool. All right, try it. Go ahead. Pretty cool. Okay, turn it off. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's got I'm not going to tilt it too far forward, but it has a little hole in there, so it gives you kind of like an endless loop of water. Whoa. Okay, so let's open up some of these fruits. And we'll put a towel over here. So this is where you can put everything to dry after you wash it, okay? So, I'll let you, some little accessories. Maybe put there. Yep. I think that fits in there. Uh-oh. Okay, so that just sits like that. So that one sits there like that. And then we have a bunch of different kitchen utensils and some other foods. All right. Okay. And you put it here to dry. Okay, so you get a little pan and a pot. So you can put those there. You got some, I never know what these are, the pinchers. You got a spoon. You got a pot lid. You get a knife and a spatula. And these are pretty neat because you can actually cut them. So you get 2 halves because it has that little Velcro pieces to them. So that is really cool. And then you get a whole bunch of like mushrooms and broccoli and carrots, some potatoes, onion. Okay, so
Welcome to the Dream Kitchen.
so you put that pot on there.
Cook rice.
So it's got some cooking noise. Then you can turn the light on so you mimic the cooking process. We'll just turn it off for now. It looks like that sink is a lot of fun. And I predict someone's gonna get a carrot, right? Someone's gonna get a little wet in this whole process. But again, all these foods you can cut with your knife. And like I said, the Velcro is kind of new and tight, but that's pretty cool. I like how it mimics that. And the carrot, same thing. You can go through and cut your carrot open. And I am pretty sure the sink is a big hit on this. What do you think? Pretty good? You cooking? Yeah. Okay. And also, it's going to get everything wet in the area, so make sure you have it in an area that you don't mind getting all wet. Pretty cool. Good job.
That?
Yeah. You got to clean that one too. Okay. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna cook something up. Right? Okay. Be safe out there. Good job.